Today I decided to do my base a little differently. I'm using a stick foundation. Stick foundations are very easy to use if you want coverage on the go. And I'm using the Dior stick foundation. You can use any stick foundation. What I like about a stick format in a foundation is that, it's not messy and you can even blend it with your fingers. The liquid ones kind of drop everywhere. It's pretty messy when I am in a hurry and I just want to have some stripes on my face and then just take a brush to blend it out quickly. I feel this format of foundation or concealers is what I gravitate towards. Even for concealers, I feel sticks are so much easier to use. I use a lot of stick color correctors, stick concealers, stick blushes, stick highlighters. I think I am a stick person. I don't know what to call myself. Um, Let me know about you. Do you like, makeup that comes in a stick format? Do you find it easy? Do you find it fuss free? I do, and that's why I went ahead and bought two different shades in this foundation, the Dior foundation. One in 2W and the other one in 2 Cool Rose. W is my perfect summer shade, and the lighter one is for highlighting. Next, I am using a shade on my cheeks for a very bronzer kind of a look. So the term bronzer is very much in. I'm hearing a lot of people talking about bronzing, and it's nothing but just something that works as a blush and a bronzer together. So you are doing two steps in one go using just one product. For me, this specific blush by Chanel, I'm so sorry, this is not available anymore. This was a limited edition collection. It was the Harmony blush. If you have this, you may agree with me. This is something that, mimics the color when your skin is burnt, like when you have freshly got a tan. This is how the color looks like. It has the perfect blend of brown, mauve tones, reds. For the eyes, I am using a gray color. This is by Makeup by Mario's collection in the color Slate. I absolutely adore gray tones for eyeshadows. I don't know, but it is very difficult to find the perfect tone of gray. When I'm saying gray, I am expecting a cool toned gray. What I find a lot in the Indian market is a lot of warm toned grays. I understand people want warm tones for their, for everyone to have their pick, and majority people pick warm tones and eyeshadows because that's a safe pick. But I feel a cool toned gray can do so much more. It can add so much mysteriousness to your eye looks if you pair it with a cool toned bronzer. Like I'm using the blush to blend it into my crease and form this very mysterious looking eyeshadow, very grungy, but at the same time, very, very mysterious. So let me know what you think. Are you someone who gravitates towards these kind of cool tones, or you're happy with the warm gray smoky tones that are available? I wish Makeup by Mario comes to India soon, or some other affordable brand brings up these kind of cool toned grays for us to experiment with our eye looks. Next, I'm using a lip pencil. This is a simple lip color. This is a very neutral lip color, and I'm then topping off with a very, very pale nude. Because I feel the perfect lip combo to complement a smoky eye look like this is a very, very nude concealer lips, but a lip combo. It can't be just one flat color. It has to be a lip combo that elevates the look of this kind of a very simple, polished, but elegant look. I didn't use too many products. I just use colors which are not very widely seen. Not many people use these colors, which is why the makeup look has turned out very polished, very chic, and also very, it looks like there is a lot of intention here. You're not just lathering products just because it is viral. Intention is very important when you're doing your makeup. Finally, just a few coats of mascara. This is the Dior Pump and Volume Mascara. This is a very average mascara in my opinion. I'm just using it because I have it. You don't have to go ahead and buy this. This is not, there are better mascaras by Dior, not this one. So finishing off with a few coats of mascara on both my eyes, I also like to add mascara on my lower lashes because it kind of opens up my eyes, and that's the finished look, guys. Very simple, elegant. Try being more experimental when you're choosing colors next time. Probably this video inspired you to choose some different colors. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comment section if it did give you some inspiration, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.